Stop saying happy. There are far richer ways to express joy in English, and today you'll learn 10. Sarah, how are you feeling about the new job?
I'm happy.
Great, but let me give you 10 words that will make that feeling come alive.
I'm all ears.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. Today we upgrade the word happy. Happy is fine, but native speakers reach for stronger, more specific words to describe different kinds of joy. When everything good is just happy, your English sounds flat. The right word paints a picture.
Let's give you 10 alternatives, each with the situation where it fits best.
Word 1. Delighted. Delighted is warm and slightly formal, perfect when you're genuinely pleased.
I'm delighted to meet you. She was delighted with the results.
Word 2. Thrilled. Thrilled is high energy. You can barely contain your excitement.
I'm thrilled about the trip. He was thrilled to get the offer.
Word 3. Content. Content is quiet and deep, a calm, settled happiness.
I feel content with my life. He seemed content just sitting there.
Word 4. Overjoyed. Overjoyed is extreme, happiness that overflows.
We were overjoyed at the news. She was overjoyed to see them.
Word 5. Glad. Glad is simple and sincere, often about a specific relief.
I'm glad you came. Glad to help. I'm so glad that's over.
Quick review. Delighted, warm and pleased. Thrilled, high energy. Content, calm and settled. Overjoyed, overflowing. Glad, simple and sincere. 5 more coming up. Word 6. Ecstatic. Ecstatic is the peak, wildly, uncontrollably happy.
They were ecstatic when they won. I'm absolutely ecstatic.
Word 7. Cheerful. Cheerful describes a bright, positive mood you carry around.
She has such a cheerful personality. He gave a cheerful wave.
Word 8. Grateful. Grateful mixes happiness with thankfulness.
I'm so grateful for your help. Grateful to be here.
Word 9. Pleased. Pleased is calm satisfaction, common in professional English.
I'm pleased with your progress. Pleased to meet you.
Word 10. Over the moon. This is an idiom, extremely happy, very informal.
He was over the moon about the baby. We're over the moon.
Practice time. I describe a situation, you pick the best word.
Ready.
Your friend just got engaged and you're extremely excited for them.
I'm thrilled for you. Or over the moon if I want to sound very natural.
In a job email, you want to accept an offer politely and professionally.
I'm delighted to accept. Or pleased to accept, both sound professional.
You feel calm and satisfied with your simple, quiet life.
I feel content. That's the calm, settled kind of happiness.
Perfect. Each word carries a different intensity and tone. Today's 10 words for happy: delighted, thrilled, content, overjoyed, glad, ecstatic, cheerful, grateful, pleased, and over the moon. Match the intensity to the situation. Thrilled and ecstatic for big excitement. Content and pleased for calm satisfaction.
Use them out loud this week and they'll start to feel natural.
Which word describes your mood right now? Tell us in the comments, in English.
And if this was useful, subscribe for a vocabulary upgrade every week.
Thanks for listening to Real English Podcast. See you in the next episode.